So we got the WhatsApp group, haven't we?
Yeah.
Where we
WhatsApp
keep in
group.
touch all the time with little achievements, things at the...
So we try to meet up on their birthdays, so special
always,
occasions.
Yeah.
And then, like, the summer's a lot easier, isn't it? Because we can go outdoors. We go to Brimmill Park and things like that.
So we meet once a month now, don't we?
Once a month,
face to face, sort of.
Yeah.
It's just having a bit of fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Just trying to make it natural and normal for them.
Yeah, it should be normal. And actually, we have had your, Foster over to sort of just overnight and stuff as well, because I think she was missing her brother. And then we had him to stay and took him to this little festival in the next village, and it's just exactly what you're saying. You want their childhood to be as normal as possible, because there's not many children have their brothers, scattered all over Swansea.
Exactly.
And it's, they want to see each other, don't they?
Oh, it's so important for them.
The more relaxed we are about it, the more natural it is, and the more natural it is for them.
And Christine's not here today, but her two that she's got, we were having them weekly to support her through COVID. And again, it was just my brothers coming over just to have some fun, and they used to go to the bedroom and play. They play on like the games and go to park, go to McDonald's. And now we have them once a month now. Not once a month, sorry. We have them every holiday, so we have them just to help.
And not that rigid thing where you've got an hour in some room and then you've got to get out. For the next family comes in. You just want normality. Because we used to meet in the LC2, didn't we, every year? We'd sit there and have a coffee and all the kids would be sort of boinging around.
But even when the boys come in, it's sort of like, they come in and like, all right boys, how are you? How's school been? And, and then they'll just wander, they'll go to the toilet if they need to. They feel relaxed.
They're comfortable, it's like extended family, isn't it?
Yeah, they don't have to say, is this okay? Or
it did help when we had your foster son, because placement broke down, and we were able to say, we'll have him, because we knew him. And that would have been really awful for him to go somewhere he didn't know, and he just came to us and actually settled in quickly. I mean, we knew it was only temporary, but it meant that it was nice for our foster daughter to have her brother there for a bit, and it was actually a nice bit of sort of fun for her, really, for a couple of months. So things like that, you could step in and do respite. If you were able to do it, you could actually do that, and it would be like going to another family member, because I feel like we're almost like extended family for them now, aren't we, really?
And you can see that's the way the children see it.
Because even Christina says she's having an extension done, and she said as soon as the extension's done, he's coming over and he's having a sleepover. So we're
all going over.
I was swarming.